welcome to our lipstick. So today I wanted to share with you the best products from the Shop Miss A $1 website. So I have bought two separate orders from the Shop Miss A website, but they were large orders where I could do a full face, and even had some extra products like more than one eyebrow product or more than one blush and things like that. So I've tried a lot from their website, and I wanted to share with you all the dollar products that I think are really worth it on there that easily could sell for more than $1. So these are all my favorites. Let's get into it. First of all is this primer here. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Skin color correcting primer. It's in kind of like a pinky purplish lilac type of shade. Really great for dull skin. So if you feel like your skin looks kind of dull and just not very bright, looks a little bit unhealthy to be quite honest, or a little bit like you feel sick and your skin is just kind of a garish type of look, this is a great one. This actually brightens up the face. It gives it a little bit of luminosity. Not really, I don't want to say sheen because I feel like that's kind of a negative thing in makeup, but it gives kind of that brightness that you're really looking for when your skin is very dull. So this is a really great product for underneath your foundation. Next up is a BB cream, or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a BB cream. Yep. AOA Studio Perfect BB cream. This is fantastic. This is, it could be a medium coverage foundation. It has the great coverage. Works really well. It doesn't separate throughout the day. It doesn't, at least on my dry skin, it doesn't separate throughout the day. Please note that I do have dry skin, dry to normal. So if you do have oily skin, I don't know how this is going to react for you. But for me, it doesn't separate. It looks beautiful throughout the day. It doesn't get dry and cakey looking. Just a beautiful product, and I really love the way it looks. It actually looks airbrushed on my face when I put it on, so I love this. Next up is a face powder. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. I personally prefer the one that is for your skin tone as opposed to the translucent powder. The translucent powder is okay. I just don't love translucent powders in general. I feel like they give a white cast and they make my face look kind of funny. But the one in my skin tone is beautiful. This is number 22 Soft Light. It is a gorgeous powder. Again, it makes everything look airbrushed, especially on the under eyes. Does a really good job of setting your under eyes. I think this is a beautiful powder, and I would pay more than $1 for this. Next up is my favorite blush, actually, of all time. And it came from this website for $1. This is the Unused Cosmetics blush. I don't know what shade it is, and it's just in a beautiful, oh, it's in the shade Barbie Pink. Because I remember it being like, why is that called Barbie Pink? It's peach. So yeah, that's what it's called, Unused Cosmetics Barbie Pink. Absolute favorite blush. You can see like it used to have a rose pattern on it, but I've used it so much that it kind of doesn't anymore. It's my favorite blush. It lasts super well throughout the day. Such a beautiful, beautiful color, especially on my pale skin tone. It's such a natural color. So it looks like you're just flushing. It's beautiful. On to brow products that are my favorite. This brow pencil is fantastic. This is the Sculpting Brow Pencil from AOA Studio. It's one of those ones that's shaped kind of like a teardrop. If you guys can see that at all. Probably not. But it's shaped like a teardrop, kind of like one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think theirs is called the Sculpting one too. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for that, but it's really good. It has a little bit more of a waxy crayon-like type of texture. So if you don't love that, if you like a stiffer kind of pencil, you're not going to love this one. But if you like the crayon-y type of thing, this is a really great one. The next product is one of my absolute favorite ones from AOA Studio, or from Shop Miss A. This is an AOA Studio Go Brow. It is a dupe for Gimme Brow, and I think it's just as good. Yeah, only costs $1, and it works so well to set down the hairs, makes the hairs a little bit darker if you're using the colored ones. They have the ones that match your hair color, or there's a clear one. Whichever one you go with doesn't matter. But this is absolutely beautiful, works so well, and I think it's such a good product. And the last product that I absolutely love and think is worth the money from AOA Studio or from Shop Miss A is their AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Any shade, doesn't matter. I have so many shades of these. I actually did a video not too long ago swatching all of my shades of this, and I can link that video if you want to look at it. But this is such a good dollar liquid lipstick. It's a little bit more on the watery, liquidy side, so you do have to build it up at least twice on the lips. I would say no more than twice on the lips, but that's not a big deal. I usually do that with any liquid lipstick anyway. And they're a little bit more on the drying side, but not uncomfortably drying. I think they're just so good. I would pay more than $1 for this, and I love this color in particular. This is the shade 2025 Hype. It's such a beautiful everyday pink, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, those are all my favorite products from the Shop Miss A website. I will link the website down in the info box. I don't get anything from linking it. I'm not an affiliate with them. Just gonna link it for your convenience because all these products are $1. That's so amazing, and these are the best of the best. So if you're interested, definitely check out the website, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.